Hello, everybody. Hello, and welcome to the Developer Students Club Induction Program powered by Google. I, Shubhi, am your host for the event, and I would be leading the Developer Students Club this year. I, on behalf of my team, welcome you all to this grand event. This event is going to be super fun and knowledgeable for each one of you. So, sit back and relax. Today's aim would be to give you a brief introduction about the opportunities provided by DSC to help you know more about our community culture and to introduce you to our core and technical team members. We will be talking about what is DSC, why you should be joining it. We'll also talk about the solution challenges. We will also be introducing the DSC Women in Tech Club this year. And I request you all to post your questions in the comment section and somebody from the team would be answering your questions simultaneously. A little bit about myself. I am Shubhi, a third-year student from Computer Science Department. I am equally passionate about technology and humanity. I really want to help people through technology, and I believe in the power of community and giving back to the society. You can connect with me through my social media handles mentioned here. Harkesh sir would be our faculty advisor this year. In case you have any doubts regarding the community, DSC, or your course curriculum, you can also reach out to him. As soon as the college reopens, we will be having an introductory session with sir to help you know more about him and the club. And here we have our chief guest for the event, Sanjeev Sharma. Sanjeev Sharma is the pioneer of Developer Students Club in our college. He was the one to start it in our club, in our college 2 years ago. I would like to invite Sanjeev Sharma to motivate the students to be a part of this community. Welcome, Sanjeev Sharma.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing good. And okay, so first of all, what is DSC? You will get to know in the upcoming slides that very well. But before that, I would like to stress on like why communities are important and why to actively take part in it. Uh, as a fresher, like when you join college, the most of the students just focus on getting a job, but that's not the target of complete college education. There is much more than it. Okay. So to help you with that, we have developed a students club, uh, which is going to not only help you in different kind of technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, Android, but also will help you to apply them in real world, like how you are going to apply these technologies to real world and solve some problems in the real life. And this is the most important part in college, that most of the students miss out. Like most of the students just focus on technical skills, like they either just learn web or Android, or they just focus too much on competitive programming. But that's not the point. Like the point is to apply the technology to real world. That's exactly what DSC is. Like you will not only learn here technologies through our technical sessions, but also get opportunity to apply them in real life through DSC solutions challenge, which we will be talking about later. So this is the one point. And apart from this, like I would be happy if like first and second year students will be actively participating in it, because that is the most important, that is very crucial for them. Uh, so you can like learn from people's experiences who are currently leading DSC here. Like all of them were in first year when I started, and I was mentoring them. So you can learn from their experiences and get started with it, and you will be the one who will be leading it after 2 years here in UIT itself. So that is all from my end. Good luck.
Thank you so much, Sanjeev sir. I absolutely resonated with every word you said. I remember when I was in my first year and Sanjeev Sharma was the lead. He would take DSA coding sessions and we would all gather there and learn so much from him. Every day was extremely exciting and knowledgeable for each of us. Thank you so much. I hope that our viewers absolutely agreed with every point he said and you'll take notes and join our community and explore more about everything he said. Thank you so much. Now let me introduce you to our core and technical team members. But before that, let me thank each one of them for making this event a youth. It wouldn't have been possible without your efforts. Our core team and technical team is the pillar behind every event we conduct. And trust me, guys, these people have had a lot of experience through their previous internships and mentorships. They are very skilled and highly talented in their respective domains. Laksh is the design lead for DSC. Dushyant would be leading the robotics and IoT club. Yash Rawat is the event management head. Kritika Parmar would be leading the MLAI club for DSC this year. Our technical team will be there to provide you effective solutions for all your technology-related problems. Harshvardhan is here to guide you with ethical hacking and cyber security. Kushagra Bhagat is the innovation and creativity head to improve more about the DSC, the sessions we would be conducting, etc. Mahi will be the DSC Women in Tech lead this year. Shalu Anand would be the graphic designer and design manager. Mansi is the networking head. Manoj is the web and Android app lead. Nikita would be the DSC and coding lead for our DSC club. Ayush is the content manager and coding manager again. And Harshit is the community development manager. Here is a small introduction video from our technical and core team members so that they can interact better with you all.
Hi, this is Yash, Community Head of Developer Student Club. Join DSC and learn something new. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Laksh and I am a third year student. I am also the design head at DSC. So let's come and grow together.
Hello guys, my name is Dushyant. I'm part of IoT and robotics team. Join DSC and learn together guys.
Hello guys, I'm Kushagra Bhagat from 3rd year. I am the Design and Innovation Lead at DSC. Join DSC and let's grow together.
Hey guys, myself Shalu and I'm a part of this amazing team that is DSC UIET MDU. I am their graphic manager. So we believe in bringing out the innovations. So stay connected and keep growing with us.
Hey everyone, I am Harshvardhan Gupta, your cybersecurity and ethical hacking lead for the current session of DSC UIET MDU. Join us and let's uplift this community together and take it to the next level.
Hello everybody, myself Manoj, a final year student of CSC department. I am a Python Django backend developer and serving as a web development head in DSC club. Join DSC and level up your knowledge.
Hey folks, Mansi Singh this side. I will be managing networking department in DSC UIET MDU. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. So let's connect together and build a community. Thank you.
Hi there, this is Nikita, DSA and coding lead at DSC. I never thought of joining this community, but its enthusiastic and team building environment can't resist myself to join this community and accelerate my capabilities. Thank you.
Hello, myself Harshit Arora and I am Community Development Manager at DSC UIET MDU and I recommend you to join DSC and move a step ahead in your career.
I hope you totally enjoyed the video. Before starting ahead, I would want to request you all to please post your questions in the comment section and we would be answering your doubts simultaneously. Now, it's time for some serious questions. Do you want to work in a team? Do you want to help local businesses? And do you also wish to elevate your skills? If yes, you are at the right place. DSC will provide you the perfect opportunities to level up your skills, improve your networking, and give your profile a boost. So don't miss out an opportunity to be a part of our club. Let me tell you a little bit more about DSC. What exactly are Developer Students Club? Well, these are college level or university level clubs for students who are interested in technology. You need not be an expert in the technology to work on it. You just need to have the interest to be a part of our club, and we'll guide you ahead. DSC provides an interactive space for students. Now, what do we mean by interactive space? Well, we would be providing you with the right resources and guidance regarding a particular technology you are interested in, and then you would be expected to implement that technology in your real world project. So, isn't it fun and interactive? DSC provides peer-to-peer learning environment where the juniors can connect with their seniors and get all their doubts and queries resolved, and the seniors in turn can level up their skills by teaching the juniors. Three mantras of DSC: moonshot thinking, believing in providing solutions. You obviously grow professionally as well as personally. So let's talk about some of the technologies DSC would be focusing on this year. Google Cloud Platform. Well, Google Cloud Platform is a suite or collection of cloud computing services provided by Google for developers like you and me. It is a high-end infrastructure used to help us in data analytics, machine learning, and cloud computing. Quick Labs, like Google Cloud Platform, is a platform which provides a very real environment for developers to learn about Kubernetes, Firebase, machine learning, cloud computing, etc. Firebase is a backend application developed by Google developers which will help us develop Android and iOS apps. And TensorFlow is an artificial intelligence and machine learning library developed by Google developers. Here on, I would like to invite my co-team member, Kritika Parmar, who will be guiding you more about TensorFlow and MLAI technologies.
Okay, so let's start. Machine learning. First, let's take a look at what is machine learning. So, machine learning is just an art of like programming computers so that they can predict predict from the new data. So, what is machine learning? What we do in machine learning is that we teach the from the last previous data, the machine learns from the previous data, and on the basis of the results of that, when we feed the computers with the new data, they give predictions on that also. So the machine learns from the previous patterns and give predictions on the what the machine learned. Okay. So for example, we can take there is a real life example. You all uses Google Mail, right? So some of your mails goes to spam folder, right? So this is also it's also a tool of machine learning, right? So if we talk about why was there need of machine learning, then we will say that. The traditional the traditional approaches were actually not that much efficient when we wanted to solve complex problems, when they were uh, like uh, based on the biological things. Like if we wanted to for example, we can take when we wanted to detect tumors, right? So it was not that much efficient the simple traditional approaches were not that much efficient. That's why we used machine learning. Okay, so this was the basic about what is machine learning, and now we are going to take an insight on what is TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is basically a tool, an open source library that was developed by the Google developers, and we all uses TensorFlow on our daily basis. TensorFlow has made our lives easier because TensorFlow has not only provided us with many data, but it has also helped us in creating, training, and deploying the models in an easier and efficient. It has reduced the time that we have to put on if we were not using TensorFlow. So TensorFlow has made all of our lives easier, and we will get to know more about this in this there for you if you want to ask anything about machine learning, TensorFlow. There are also tools like Keras and PyTorch. Many also uses them, but TensorFlow is highly famous right now. If you want to know about more about TensorFlow, then you can visit the official website www.tensorflow.org. So yeah, this was all from my side. Over to you, Shubhi.
Understand everything you said and will be very interested. Last year, a lot of students were very interested in machine learning and artificial intelligence technology, and I hope this year we will be continuing forward with the same spirit. Thank you. Now let's discuss some opportunities provided by DSC for you all. You will get to connect and learn with a community of like-minded and ambitious people. You will learn about the latest tech stacks. Now, I'm pretty sure not all of you must be aware about Firebase, about Quick Labs, etc. But by joining this session, you were able to have a little insight about these developer tools, right? Just imagine if you are connected with us for an entire year, how much your knowledge would grow. I guess it would increase exponentially. So, do not miss this chance to connect with our community. You will also work on real life problems and build projects, which you can obviously showcase in your resume to give your profile a good boost. You will also have a hand at good networking. 10x thinking or moonshot thinking, which we believe will always be a mantra of DSC, and we'll train you into it. You'll also get a profile boost. So, let's talk about the technologies we'll be focusing on. Well, DSC is a worldwide renowned community. It is very acknowledged by all of us. So, we aim to focus on each and every technology that is in trend today. Machine learning. This department would be led by Kritika. Android app development would be led by Manoj. Internet of Things by Dushyant. He is handling everything at the backend right now, and you can also learn about these skills from him. Web development, again Manoj. You can learn about UI UX designing from Lakshya, who is very experienced with a lot of internship and mentorship programs. You can also learn about graphic designing by Shalu. And Harsh would be guiding you in cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Our vision. Just like any other community, DSC has also got some fundamental vision or an agenda behind starting this club. So working on a real life project or solving real world problems are at the later stage of any community growth, right? Our primary focus would be to encourage students like you and me to improve our technology stacks, to improve our knowledge about communities. We aim to solve real world problems using efficient and effective Google technologies, and we encourage diversity and inclusion to provide better solutions. We believe that every person has a story to bring to the table. We really value your experiences, and that is why we want you. We want you in our team. Now let's talk about the most fun part, the solution challenge. Let me tell you a little bit about Solution Challenge. Well, Solution Challenge is an annual event hosted by Google where Google invites students from all across the world, from all colleges and university, to work on a problem statement. The problem statement would be shared by the Google developers towards the late end of the year, and you will have to work in teams, and you'll have to use at least one Google technology to solve the problem. Let me give you an example. So, last year's problem statement was that you have to solve for one of the sustainable development agendas provided by the UN. Now, if you read about it, UN has provided some 17 sustainable development agendas, which include points like narrowing the gender gap, working for using efficient technology, saving electricity, etc., etc. I'll give you an example. What if we build an app which detects what all rooms have appliances working without anybody actually using them? It will give you a notification on your phone or your laptop, and you can simply go to that room and switch off or turn off that appliances, right? Wouldn't it be an effective solution to save electricity? Yes, this is what we expect from you in Solution Challenge. Here is an introduction to Demo Day.
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems. welcome to the Developer Student Club's 2020 Solution Challenge Demo Day.
So as you saw, this was an introduction to the demo day solution challenge. And you also must have noticed the live captions in my computer. Now the live caption feature was introduced by Google a few months ago, and it is an example of how technology can be made inclusive for all. There are people who have hearing deficiency or who are visually impaired. So for those people, we have live captions so that they can read out the captions and understand what that video is actually trying to communicate to them, right? So let's talk about the most interesting part of the session. Can we talk about social empowerment without talking about women empowerment? Absolutely not. Behind every successful woman is a tribe of other women who have got her back. Women have always lacked representation in STEM fields, especially in engineering, and today is as good an opportunity as any other day to improve the statistics. DSC UIET proudly announces DSC Women in Tech as its latest edition. We aim to motivate women, to motivate them to be owner of their destiny, to be absolutely confident and fearless in dreaming the possible dream. Now, I would like to introduce Mahi to brief you more about this. Mahi, welcome. The floor is all yours. Hello, people. I guess Mahi is facing some technical issues from her side. So I'll be introducing DSC Women in Tech and its objectives for you all. As you know, women have always lacked representation in STEM fields, especially in engineering. And now it's the time to empower women to be the owner of their destiny. We want women to come on the forefront and pursue a career of their dreams. There are always some gender biased ideologies related to a particular gender, especially to women. And here we are to remove all the gender based stereotypes related to women. When I think of coding, I do not wish to be a good female coder. I just wish to be a good coder. We also want to improve the work culture at DSC. We want to make DSC very diverse and inclusive for all women. So let's talk about some steps to encourage our women in tech. We'll be providing training and right mentorship to girls so that they can ace every opportunity they get. We want women to increase their participation in coding competitions in technology. We want every woman to come to walk with a lot of confidence and explain her story, her struggles, and be very confident of that. You will also be getting guidance from right mentors. For example, this year, Mahi would be guiding you as in how to fill applications, how to fill forms, write essays for women-oriented opportunity. Now, how will we connect after this? Well, as you know, we have a lot of social media handles to help you stay up to date with our programs, and one of them is Discord. We'll be sharing the Discord links very soon with you all so that you can join our server and get to know about latest opportunities. You can always shoot a mail to us at uietdsc@gmail.com in case you have any query. For more updates, do follow us on our social media platforms. By being a part of DSC, you will get latest updates about our events. You'll always get a hands at our resources and our solution challenge demos. Thank you so much. So here we come to an end of the orientation session. I hope you equally enjoyed it as much as I did interacting with you all. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. And here I would like to bring an end to our session. Thank you.